Yo, back in some Call of Duty Mobile. You know what I'm saying? Let's go to multiplayer. I think that's what it's like. Yeah, multiplayer. We should probably go free for all, but let's check out what guns we have. Oh, PvP Bizarre is 100%. Out of all the guns I used recently, did I ever use the AK-47? That's like my favorite gun in PUBG Mobile. It's gotta be great in Call of Duty Mobile, right? Guess we'll find out, guys. Nose is a little clogged, if you know what I'm saying. So you know what I'm saying. You got, your nose is like plugged and it's clogged by all that bacteria. So you gotta start talking like a mafia boss. If you know what I'm saying, Dobbs. You know what I'm saying, Dobbs? You hear me? Good. All right. 2x XP. What's that? Is that a person over there? What is this map? Oh! As soon as I went! That was so rude. And my kill was just stolen. No doubt about that. What am I doing? Okay, wait, no, actually, what am I doing? I usually do not sell like this. Usually. Much better. Oh, hey, revenge! Dude, the bro's at 9! What am I doing?
Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Predator missile on standby.
Yes! Hide in the corner.
Friendly Predator missile inbound.
Nice. Bum stole my kill got stolen twice!
Airstrike is ready.
Oh, that is sick! Put it right there.
Friendly airstrike incoming.
Ooh. How did I die? Oh my gosh, I'm selling so bad. I died with the minigun. I mean, it doesn't get worse than that. And now that guy's at 19 kills. Worst thing that could happen is I'm his last kill. I was his last kill! Oh, oh no! I need my revenge. Okay, so AKM is decent. I mean, I'm missing like all my shots with it. It's decent. I give myself a like.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
Skip, how long was that? 4 minutes? Not bad. Cause guys, I got that max 15-minute video stuff until this channel gets verified. Which honestly makes it less work for me. I mean, I'm not gonna get many views out of it because I don't have a thumbnail or anything. But give them a like. I got more likes than the MVP. That's crazy. Wait, let's see how much number 3 got. Alright, let's go. Here we go. So how many is that? Yeah. Yeah, I'm calculating, guys. Hold on. Yo, which channels are for what? Yeah, I think we're good. Oh, whoo! I was low on ammo. That's the only reason bro got me. I know where he is, though. Oh! That was such a reflex, though. Oh my gosh! I, like, never face pros. All of a sudden, I'm facing them.
Hostile Predator missile inbound.
Oh my gosh!
Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed.
You right there. Where'd he go? Oh, in there. Oh my! How? No, whenever I'm not recording, I'm like wrecking everyone. As soon as I start recording,
Enemy shock RC incoming.
I'm the one getting wrecked. It's like they all wait.
Enemy UAV spotted.
What? Wait. I shot him with the... Hey, face through my bullets. Oh my gosh. Okay. Jeez Louise. Alright. It's only, what? It's only been 7 minutes.
Nice work. Well done.
Nah, that's crazy. Okay, let's share our loadout real quick. You got anything good? I feel like a scope is just not for me. More of the iron sight kind of guy. Go with the barrel. Right? Laser? DWC laser tactical? Yeah, why not? We don't have anything else. Okay. Let's get back into it. Let's get back into it. Another free-for-all. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Uh-huh. 8 minutes. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I have a good feeling about this. I think we're about to redeem ourselves. Guys. You know what I'm saying? Pre-match. Okay, I know this map.
Free for all.
Spawn here. Probably should go... No, this way definitely has enemies. Throw it over the house. Exactly. That's what I thought.
Hunter killer drone ready for deployment.
what I thought. That's what I thought.
Predator missile on standby. Hunter killer drone deployed.
That's what I thought. Oh yeah.
Friendly predator missile inbound. Airstrike is
That's what I
ready.
thought. Someone's over here. You can hear him. Get out of here!
Hunter killer drone on standby. Predator missile awaiting orders.
Oh, my first death! No! I was on a streak! Alright, well, let's send this out.
Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
Let's, you know,
Predator missile inbound.
just like that. What a bum! Killed me while I was AFK. Put it right there. Why not?
Friendly airstrike incoming.
Ha! Yes! One more, one more!
Hostile predator missile inbound.
I feel like those are all nubs though. I don't know. I don't feel too good about that win. Hey, we beat a level 294, so I mean, can we really complain? Can we really complain? I mean, I mean. Anyways, I do hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.